There are various challenges really. The main one probably is driver behaviour when we're dealing with an incident. There seems to be a reluctance to sort of back off and give us space, a safe space in which to work. When we're dealing with an incident, we always work in pairs. So one of us is dealing with the incident while the other's watching traffic. But we do have incidents where drivers come too close, too fast. And it happens on quite a regular basis. Well, I've been in post for over 11 years and I've been quite fortunate really, got to be honest. Don't experience a lot of abuse. It does happen. I have got colleagues who have mentioned it, that it happens on occasion. And I just like to think that the motoring public would give us the sort of respect they give their own family. If you come across an incident that's ongoing, if you can, back off the throttle straight away, slow down, and if at all possible, move over and give us a safe working space. We try and deal with incidents in a timely manner, and the vast majority we're able to remove the obstacle within the 5 or 10 minutes. On the odd occasion where we're not able to move the vehicle for whatever reason beyond our control, we have to set out lane closures. Sometimes traffic does back up as a result. It's not something we do through choice, it's just the circumstances that we're given. As I've said, the main thing probably is 2 pieces of advice: slow down and move over if at all possible. Just be more attentive and give yourself time to plan what you're going to do next. We're there to do a job. We're professionals. We try and deal in as timely a manner as we possibly can. Occasionally, unfortunately, we're restricted in what we're able to do. So if we do set out a lane closure, or if we're working on the verge even, just show respect. Have a think about it. How would you feel if it was a member of your own family working on the side of the road?